first thing is pace yourself, right? It's easy to overdo it because we all can run, right? So we're born to run, born to move, but it's not as easy as people think because we do sit a lot. We're very sedentary. So I would say always start out by doing less. Less is better than more. If you start out by maybe instead of running, maybe start out by walking, running, so you can build up. Every single time you run, you should feel like you could do more. If you feel like you can do more, then more likely you're going to come back the next day and do it again and do it again. And there's higher chance of enjoyment. Second thing is maybe choose a park that you love or a trail that you love. It'll be easier for you to forget about running and enjoy what's surrounding. And then if you're a music person, then listen to the coolest tunes you have. Enjoy that. If you have friends that run, maybe they can help you and join them. They can be your support system so that you build up, you become better runner, and eventually you really enjoy it because your body wants to do it. But the biggest thing I would say is give yourself some time to enjoy it. Most athletes think that they're going to enjoy it, but they're not. It's going to take some time. But when you do, you're going to get that runner's high that everybody seeks.